Welcome back to the channel. We're back with episode 3 of Chainsaw Man, bro. Dude, in the last episode we get to meet 3 new characters, which is Aki and Power. So we get to see Denji get into like their group. So basically they're going to be a 3-man team that's going to fight against the devils. So they also tell him about like if he think of escaping, they'll end up killing him. So he got no escape anywhere, and this guy ain't gonna run nowhere anyways. Uh, we get to know like what power is. Power is actually a fiend. Now what they really call him, like those devils that possess people, they call them fiends. And fiends basically just possess people, human bodies, and take over their bodies. Like they wouldn't be like the same again. But the thing I want to ask, like how come like power overcome like that trial when they become a fiend though? That's what I want to know. Denji's own is different because Pochita gave him his heart, so I don't think Denji is a fiend. Because remember, Makima says he's not human nor devil, so he's just in between, you know. So we'll see like what happens in the next episode, bro. Paul like it's a character I was really so tell you that I like already, bro. It's like all wildness is, bro. Like she's really crazy and do things over the top. As a character, that's gonna be my favorite character in this one. So let's get straight into this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Hit the bell so you know if I upload a video, and let's get this, man. Let's go. Nah, this girl just caused like a whole scene. I will let my always call on the phone to say there's like a monster there. You just went and do that. A blood devil. Okay. Oh, that's why she can smell blood and thing. What the heck? Why is she so scared of Makima, bro? Like, what can she do? Trying to blame me, man, for it. Really, no. Makima, show us a little bit of your power of what you can do now. Dude, Makima, just sit down there watching these two fight each other. What? Why is she so scared, bro? What does this girl can do? What can she do? Wait, does it have to do something with her eyes? Is Makima used to be a fiend or something? I wonder. Why she had to bend the shit like that? Okay, I feel bro, this guy, yeah. Company of cars. Dude, I wonder if this guy is alive. Huh? But dude, your breathing is like stupid. So she hates them because they took her cat away? Yo, look the boy getting out by what is. Yo, they motivate the boy. Yo, they well confused, bro. So why they have to sign for to like approve or to leave, bro? That's so crazy. It's almost like this guy like bring her out to walk with like it's a pet or something. Why though? Oh. All the way figure out food. Dude, all of the boys staying out there. So like people outside might use tables, okay? Yo, that is so crazy. So I was right, like she just using words to make them feel like comfortable, you know? Make them feel like she'll always be there, but at the end of the day, all of them are tools to them. And to her too. I thought you were gonna say something. Nah. So that's not one. Yeah. Really? I knew that will. I knew Denji would be able to be thinking like that because remember Pochita was a devil dog and it was his friend. So I would really see like Denji want to coexist with devils because he's a human that have a devil heart. So he's actually a coexistence of one as human and a devil. So that's why he's trying to strike for humans and devils living together. That's an interesting concept though. What the heck is up with this woman, bro? Timmy School. What do you mean? Yo, what? What the heck, bro? What is she doing, bro? What, is she going to like give the monster him and take a cat back or something? Or is she just gonna like eat him? Bat? Yo, a bat devil. Sounds. Oh, okay. So who did him that? I would like to know the person. Oh, bro, that's disgusting. I mean by over this of blood. What the heck, Paul, bro? Like, what the heck is wrong with you? Well, that's what like happened, man. I thought it was real though. Oh shit! Don't tell me this guy's going right there to eat. Yo, that thing is ugly, bro. Wait, really out of the cat for real? Yo, yo. Yo, we're getting flashback ocean with the cat. Yo, what the heck? The way she got died is crazy. I hell, that's kind of cool what she's doing, but to just eat it. Hold up. Yo, how ain't female? What the heck? So you do that all for nothing? Yo, what the heck? Yo, just like that? Danger, bro, you need to stop this nigga right now. Yo, what? This guy said come to the prison, bro. Like, what the heck? What the heck, bro? Yo, this guy is on some other level, bro. What the? Wait, how did this guy reach us so fast? Time to stop. Oh. Time to take care of business, bro. Bro, they take all the same out again. Then boom. Yo. Yo, that was quick, I ain't gonna lie. What? What? Man, the amount of destruction that man causing around here is just really crazy. What? Boy? I gotta lie, then dude, like, really good. Yo, so he can't retract? That's really crazy though. It's almost like it retracted on instinct. Yo, what? Do I didn't expect that? Yo, this guy moved like a cannon. Yo, what? Yo. Dude, I didn't expect that. Yo, they're gonna eat this food. Look at this guy's fingers, bro. Oh. Yo, this guy is shook right now. Oi. Boy, no, he can't die, eh? Caught that. Oi, let's see what that ticking the boy, huh? Oi. What the heck? Did like he punch him with the chainsaws of it? Oh, shit for the eyes. You're dead. Guys, intestines, bro. Boy, that was sick. Alright, yo, this was a really, absolutely good episode. Dude, that fight was really insanely bad, bro. Dude, Paul, bro. I feel like, as Aki was saying when he was telling Makima, I feel like Denji is a little bit naive or wanted to live with like devils, like want to be friends with devils and all. I feel like not all devils are bad and not all devils are good. So you can argue the point of like why didn't you want to do that, and I understand why you want to do that because of Pochita. It's like Pochita people, you know, you can be friends with some of them, you can keep them, you know, all that once you treat them right. But the thing is, how are you going to make like a devil and humans coexist, bro? I feel like that's where that story might end up. It was so funny, like when Denji and Paul was fighting in front like Makima just don't care, like both of them fighting against each other. But the craziest thing that like how Paul were really afraid of Makima, like what really made her scared of Makima so bad, dude? Is it have something to do with her eyes or something, or like the type of power she have that it scares her to like death, bro? Because dude, you can see how Paul is like so scared of Makima. Also those higher ups, those executive people, I would just call them right now. That Makima was answering to, I was talking to them. He was asking about like Denji group. Now they mentioned that she's not supposed to get like close to them. She's not supposed to have no like connection to them. It's like they're using them as dogs and pets. So that explains why she was telling like Denji why what he wanted to hear. Like when Denji asked what type of guy she like after she said Denji. That's why I said she was using that in some type of way to like control Denji. But what if Denji and then finds out about like what Makima do? I feel like they would be turning against him because they actually using them as pawns and tools. But the thing is about Denji don't really, I don't know if Denji, the thing is Denji will care about it, but the other thing is that right now he have like proper food, proper meals, proper baths. He doing normal things that people do every day, and that's his dream, and that's why he want to follow. But Power's dream now on the other hand is to get her friend Meowy, which is okay, was so crazy. At first, one I would say I think maybe they're going to sacrifice Denji, bro, and then trade it for like the cat. But then when they took Denji into like this house, I thought like, bro, does the cat exist or not? But then the bat shows the cat was there all the time, which was really crazy. But now that they killed the cat, which I don't think the cat is there right now. Like Makima realized like what Denji was feeling when he said he felt like really bad when he lost Pochita. He couldn't pet Pochita no more, and Makima understand like that feeling, and now she just give up on her life, bro. Like, well, her cat died, and that's what keeping her like moving like forward in life. That's the only person she trusts. Well, only thing she trusts. She don't trust any human, so basically just give up on life, bro. It doesn't make sense for her living. She don't trust humans. If she stay there, she gonna kill them anyways, because that's the only like friend she have, you know. No, the big point is, bro, Makima, bro, no, not Makima, Power, bro, Power, bro. Power is a guy. He's, bro, I don't know. I think Power is a guy, or maybe Power Flashes, bro. But you see that Flashes, that's a nigga, bro. Or either I'm no gender, or I'm no gender, like, dude, that is just be crazy. Denji's gonna be really disappointed, bro. Because right now, this guy is motivated for boobs right now. That's the reason why he agreed to go and fight with Power to get like the cat back. But when Denji finds out what happened, bro, this guy's gonna be so bro, this guy's gonna be so disappointed. He might even kill Power by knowing like what's going on. So I don't even think in the next episode we're gonna see like what's going on, you know. But that fight, bro, was really crazy, bro. That was really crazy. I didn't expect that. I didn't even expect the battle to have like a Power where he sucked in air and just, bro, like push it like a blast, you know. So this episode was really absolutely good. I enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoy seeing me do this reaction. You know, anyways, if you guys enjoy this reaction and doing it with me, don't forget to run a like, so leave a comment, subscribe for more Chainsaw Man content like this, and go ahead and check out the various episodes I did already. It's your boy, Justnoxsy. Later.